All right, guys, today we're going to learn about the letter M. That's right, you know the letter M. And we're going to do our little thing with our hands that helps us remember what sound to say when we see the letter word M. So we're going to wave our hand. M says M. So every time you see the letter M, it says M. And then I'm going to write the letter M on my hand so I can remember what it sounds like. M says M. Then I'm going to take my finger pen and I'm going to write on my knee the letter M. M says M. Now, today I'm doing a couple things that are different, kind of like we did back in school. And I have this little treasure box. And inside this treasure box are some toys that of words that start with the letter M. So I want you to think while I'm trying to get this open, think if you know any words that start with M. I wonder if you know anything that's in here. If we were in class, you could raise your hand and tell me if you knew any of these words. So what's this first thing? Oh, well, that's just a letter M. So we got the letter M in there, right? Okay, right, letter M. Whoop. And what's this? What do you think this is? It's got a handle. It's glass. That's a mug, people. Mug. You spell mug. M-U-G. Mug. Let's see what else is in this little box in here because I think this is pretty fun. Okay, we had a mug and we have what's this? You can't really see what that guy is, can you? It's a mouse, guys. Look at that. It's a little mouse. Isn't it cute? Mouse. Can you hear that M sound for mouse? What else is in here? Can you see this? Anybody know what that is? Right there? That's a mailbox. It's a little toy mailbox. If we had a toy city, we could put that mailbox on the street. Now, this, I think, I know you know what this is from school lunches, but probably from eating dinner at home too. What is that? It's milk. The carton of milk. It's another M word in your life every day. You drink milk every day, probably. And then this M word, this M word, your grown-ups are going to like. Your grandparents or parents in the house, because you can use this M word to help them. It's a mop, guys. It's a little itty bitty mop. See, you can clean. You can use this mop to clean the top of my little magic box with all my M's in here. What else is in here? One last thing, and that's our lowercase m. It says M. Milk says M. The mailbox says M. The mouse, he might say squeak, 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 but he's saying M right now. And the mug, all those things say M, just like the letter M every time you see it. Okay, now before we do your worksheets, we're going to watch this little song about the letter M.
My microchips detect the letter M. Make way for the mighty M. So many words that you can spell with him. Won't you march along with the mighty, mighty M? That's him. See the monkeys and the manta rays, mountaintops and the mermaids, moving to the music of the mighty M. That's him. There's mustard and moonlight, magnets and megabytes. There's movies and marmalade, melodies and mayonnaise, with the magical and marvelous letter M. How is the mouse doing at managing the mini market? Magnificently, he has stocked the maximum amount of marshmallows. Yum! Make way for the mighty M. So many words that you can spell with him. Won't you march along with the mighty, mighty M? Mighty M.
You remember these just like last week. It's the letter M, and I want you to take your finger and trace the M, and then you can write the letter M on here. And then for all of these pictures, you're going to circle any picture that starts with the letter M. Actually, if you have a lot of time, you can color it. And this is a monkey. So I'm going to go ahead and color in this monkey right here. And it's going to be really fun to color in his tail because I think that's going to be really fun. Oh no, what is that video? Shh. Needs to be quiet. Okay, and then your second letter M worksheet. Just like before, you need to take your finger and you need to trace the letter M. And then you need to take your pen and pencil and write the letter M, right? And then here, you're going to trace the words for all of these pictures underneath. So this is a map, and you're going to trace M-A-P spells map. This is a man, and you're going to trace M-A-N for man. This is a mug. I drink my coffee out of a mug every morning. Oh, look, there's milk, just like in our magic M words box from before. This is the moon, M-O-O-N. There's some mittens, M-I-T-T-E-N-S, and some money. Now, you can't have messy handwriting. You have to trace exactly on these words so that everybody knows that you know how to write those letters. And then, now that you trace the letters, you're going to go over here and you're going to have to write the words all by yourself. But there's a word bank up top that can help you if you don't recognize the words. See them all up here? So here's a man, and you're going to write M-A-N underneath him, right? There's the mug. You're going to look up here for mug. There it is, M-U-G. You're going to write mug right there. That's a welcome mat, guys, like you stand on at the door. So mat, M-A-T, you're going to write that right there. And then here's the moon, and you're going to write it right underneath there, M-O-O-N. I'm going to let you figure out the last two by yourself from this word bank up here, but this is some milk, and it's got a clue in the picture right there if you look really close. And this is supposed to be a map. Looks like maybe it's a map to some treasure. I don't know. And the very last page is like all your other worksheets. You have to pick out the letter M and circle it. Don't pick out the W. It looks like an upside down M. Don't pick out the N just because it's next to the M in the alphabet. You're looking for the M's. And then on this line, you're going to write the letter M 5 times. If you have small handwriting, you could write it 10 times, but you have to write it at least 5. And here's for the capital M, and you write the capital M 5 times on that line. Down here are some more words for M words for you to trace. Mom, right here, M-O-M, and then you need to write it right out to the side right here, M-O-M. Here's my, M-Y, and you're going to write it out to the side right here, M-Y, my. And here's Matt, M-A-T, and you're going to write it here, M-A-T. So your very last M letter project, you are just going to walk around your house or apartment and find something that you think starts with the letter M and draw a picture of it. So I don't know, maybe I could draw find a marker and draw a picture of a marker right here in this picture right there. Okay, guys. As usual, it has been so fun talking to you about one of the letters in the alphabet. And remember, M says M, M says M.